Well, what's interesting in integration is that it's not one size fits all. So, for example, there are multiple standards for integration in healthcare, and in the industry, there's FHIR, there's HL7, there's custom APIs. There's many ways that integration can happen. And the truth of the matter is, no application stands alone anymore. Every application is integrated into some other application in order to share data, in order to receive data, or in order to send data in any form or fashion. Um, we develop software that is used for patient outcomes, in helping them in education and preparation for surgical procedures, that is very well received. But what we've been doing lately is working to implement that and integrate that into certain electronic medical records at some large academic medical centers in order to help the process flow from working with the physician. The physician can create an order for this education. The end user can then go and look at this education at their leisure, and what is the repetitive loop that you can keep back going back and providing feedback. It's interesting because you want to keep your integration as streamlined and as simple as possible, and that's why you try to use standards wherever you can. But what we're learning is standards and even a standard strategy of integration is not the same from one provider to another. So I'll give you an example. We were working with a large academic medical center on a cardiac program, and we were working to integrate this third-party application into their Epic EMR. Took us, as it was the first time, and as it was the first time that we used FHIR for this type of integration, it took a little while for both sides, both us, our side, and the customer side, to figure out the best approach in order to create a single sign-on, in order to make sure that it was a robust but sturdy integration that allowed for an order that happened in the EMR to then trigger a message to the patient, and then the patient go into the EMR and actually launch this third-party application. And we knew that the first time was going to be tricky, but we got through it, and it works extremely well. The client is very, very happy with it. We're getting reports on a regular basis of solid feedback from the patients that are using it, and asking for even more types of. This was for a cardiac program, but this can be used for any type of education if you think about it.